Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data. Back up with Smart Switch or your Google account so nothing is lost. Once that's done, make sure the battery is above 50% and remove any SD card to avoid confusion. Now power down, then press and hold power, Bixby, and volume up simultaneously. Release when the Samsung logo appears. You will enter recovery mode. This step is how you get control to restore the system safely without booting Android first. You navigate recovery using volume keys and confirm with power. It's precise, so take it slow. First, choose Wipe Data/Factory Reset and confirm. This removes user accounts and apps, which restores settings to factory defaults. Once that finishes, do not reboot yet. Select Wipe Cache Partition to clear residual system files that can cause boot issues. These two wipes together resolve most software corruption problems. After both complete, you'll be ready to reinstall or reboot cleanly. You now select Reboot System Now and be patient. The first boot can take 5 to 10 minutes as the system rebuilds. Once Android starts, follow the setup prompts and choose Smart Switch or Google Restore to bring back apps and data. This is why you backed up earlier. If the phone fails to boot or gets stuck during setup, re-enter recovery to retry wipes, or, if necessary, connect to a PC and use Odin with the official firmware carefully, because flashing wrong files can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.